Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year! Happy 2022. I hope it's going to be a better one than 2021 was. Today I'm going to talk about or find out if I actually made money with my art and my, art business, so to speak, last year. If you want to know more about that, stay tuned. Coming up next. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're going to talk about how much money I made from my art this year. And I can tell you, it is not very much, unfortunately. Anyway, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I'm going to tell you which income streams I have, where my money comes from, was coming from this year, 2021. Okay, so first we have Redbubble, second Society 6, third Teepublic, that's a new one, fourth Skillshare, originals I sell once in a while from I display them in a coffee shop. And one that pops up once in a while, Spoonflower, which is a print-on-demand fabric company. But they now also offer wallpaper. Not sure about wrapping paper, and some pillowcases and duvet covers and pillow shems and stuff like that. I don't know much about them anymore because they changed. Once in a while I get an email and I sold something, but you get only like 10% of your the margin is only 10%. So okay, these were not in the order I make money in. This is just an order that I came up with. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places or income streams I have. I have a YouTube channel, but I don't make any money yet because I don't have enough watch hours. So please, people, watch my videos so I can make some money. I'm putting a lot of time into this. I do enjoy making videos. It's not just about the money, but it's nice to get a little bit of money from it. So I'll just keep on with the stuff you need for making YouTube videos, like, microphones and lights, and maybe I upgraded my phone this year because of that. I could have kept my old phone, but this phone has a better camera, and I have a DSLR camera, but it's kind of old and it doesn't have very good autofocus, so the phone just works way better for me. So yeah, stuff like that. Anyway, so let's get into how much money I made with what. So first up is Redbubble. So let's go on the Redbubble website. It's going to be very quick. You can see here my Redbubble earning summary. I'm going to put it up here. It's $35.95. The sad news about this is I made about actually $10 of this, $10 something, was actually me buying stuff for Christmas. So because I have 2 Redbubble accounts, with my other account store, I bought stuff for this. So at least I make a little bit of money. And I get some sales in, so maybe this algorithm can see that I make sales, but it didn't really work out that well, that idea. But, worth to try anyway. So $35 and, what did I say? 95 cents. Okay. The next one is Society 6. That one is even sadder. I made a whole $4.80. That was 2 sales. One sale was $3 and the other sale was $1.80. One was in October, and one was in January. So the beginning of the year and the ending of the year, I don't know. I uploaded stuff during the year, but it just didn't take. I don't think I have bad designs. Go check it out. I'm going to link my store down below if you want to give me any input why I don't sell anything. I know I took some designs off, but they didn't sell anyway, and put new ones on there. I changed my store up a little bit, but yeah, it didn't make no difference last year. So I will link my video of my earnings from January 2021, from 2020, up here, so you can see that video and judge for yourself which year was better, this one or last year, or last 2020, because we're in 2022 now. So anyway, getting confused here. Okay, so then the next one here, we're in Skillshare. If you don't know Skillshare, Skillshare is a platform you can share your teaching skills. You can make up a course and people can watch it. And you, the people that watch it, the students, pay, I think, $10 or $15 a month. I can't remember. And they can watch any course you want. It's not just for one course you have to pay this. It's any courses, any programs are on there, you can watch, learn as many as you want. But it's also a platform for artists to teach. So this year I made, anywho, so from December 2020 to December 2021, I earned $201. So, again, it's not much, but better than all the other ones. I made the whole year $35. Anyway, so the next one, Teepublic. Let's go to the Teepublic. Made $8. Woohoo! Again, I didn't start Teepublic till September or October. I can't remember. And I had 4 sales, but 2 of them I think are my own sales, and I think they count because I used another account. I can't remember. Yeah, $3 in December, and the other $5 came from another time. I think I sold a t-shirt. No, a sweatshirt. And the other earnings were like shirts, which was only like $2 because it's not like Redbubble when you get your, adjust your margin. Everybody gets, I think it's like 10%. Can't remember. You have to go look. But anyway, I sold 4 items the whole 3 months, which is not bad compared to the other ones. So maybe this one might be a little more lucrative next year. We'll see what happens. I'll keep on updating it. I have like 40 designs now. Maybe not quite. Yeah, something like that. So in school, Spoonflower, I made $7.17. And somebody bought a big piece of fabric, I can see. And that was not too long ago, on the 15th of December. And in November, somebody just bought a small swatch to see how it looks like. So that was $1 something. So I think that one is also just 10% of whatever people buy, which was surprising. I didn't. This particular design is a geometric photo illusion thing I made with another picture. So somebody seemed to like it. I don't know, they bought it anyway. So yeah, I think that is all the earnings. Oh no, $50. I sold a small picture with a flower on it. Maybe I'll put it up somewhere if I find it. Yeah, that's the only sale I made this year from originals, unfortunately, because last year I made a lot of practical art, like cheese boards with resin waves on it. I made trays, I made trinket boxes with all resin on top. I didn't make any of those this year. That's why the sales were not as good this year, because I concentrated more on the online stuff. Yeah, and I didn't go to any markets or anything because there wasn't much going on and I didn't have the energy. I still work full time, and yeah, I don't know how other artists do it. I just like to put most of my business online. So that's, in total, I made $308. Now we're talking about the future plans. What I'm going to do with this business of mine that doesn't look like it's going anywhere. So I have been working on a website. I'm going to put some originals on there and I'm going to put my Redbubble shop, my Society 6, and my Teepublic shop on there, so we can direct link to those shops. Also have, like I said, I'm going to have my original art on there. I'm also working on, I'm putting my Skillshare classes on there, so you can just click the link and then it gets you right to my class. I have 3 of them. One is a pour painting class, one is a composition class, how to find the composition, and one is a collage class. So there's 3 classes on there if you want to go check it out. There's links below as well, but they're going to be on my website. I'm still not quite finished with my website. It's a lot of work and it's very complicated. I tried to work with a Fiverr freelancer to get it going, and I mostly did it myself because the communication was not good. I'm probably going to make a video on this at some point this coming year, probably this month, to tell you if you should or shouldn't use a Fiverr freelancer to help you with your online business or your online designs or your online whatever. Just help you out. Some, when you're not so tech savvy like me. So that's my big goal, is to get the website fully functional, and it's one place you can go and check it all out. And I'm definitely going to try to make more Skillshare classes, even though I don't enjoy it. Not because I don't... The classes, I like demonstrating. I'm not too big a fan of tutorials, because I'm not very good at explaining things exactly how they're supposed to be, and it's hard for me to explain it to a total beginner, break it all down, and I don't have the patience for that. So that's why I like YouTube better, because the demos and the tutorials aren't so detailed. They don't have to be. I'll just give you ideas to be creative and show you another way to do something I didn't think of, or you wanted to always try it out, but you weren't sure. So, and it's free. So I also tried to start a Patreon. Really, that's my other goal. But I need more people following me on YouTube to get enough people to go onto my Patreon. That's also going to be part of my website. Eventually, that's going to go on there too. But I still have to work on that. So those are my plans. Get my website going. Make more sales online. I like to get rid of most of my originals, so I can mostly just spend time on building a business online. Okay. Have a great new year. Hope you had a great Christmas, great holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate. And make sure you subscribe, like, share, check all the links out. And I see you in the next one. Watch this one to tell you how much money I made last year. Stay caffeinated.